Hey, this is Liesl for Money Done Right, and I am here to tell you about a pretty darn cool money-saving app. Have you heard of it? It's called Paribus. Paribus. What does Paribus mean? Well, it is Latin from the phrase Caeteris Paribus. We all want to say it together. Caeteris Paribus. Nice job. And it's from a phrase, that Latin phrase, which means all other things being equal, which to me is a pretty darn perfect philosophy, because what Paribus wants to do is empower you to get money easily refunded to you if an online merchant drops the price on a product that you've already purchased. So if you haven't signed up for Paribus just yet, go ahead and easily do so by clicking the link in the description below, somewhere down there, so you can go ahead and easily follow along as I go through just how Paribus works and all the cool things it can do for you. Sign up, do it right now. I'll wait. No, I won't. Okay, I'm gonna keep talking, but you can pause me at any time. So anyways, Paribus exists to save you money by finding items you've already purchased from major online retailers that have since price dropped. But when I heard about it, I was like, yeah, right. How legit is this app? All right, it's super legit. I'm gonna tell you why. Well, here, as a consumer, first off, you wanna make sure that your personal information, of course, is protected and it's in the hands of folks who are going to keep you safe and have your back both personally and financially. And with Paribus, you get exactly that. Because, you've heard the tagline, what's in your wallet? Well, Paribus definitely should be part of your digital wallet because it was founded in 2014 by two Harvard grads. Harvard sounding good already, right? And it was advised by former members of the investing teams at Founders Fund, which is a San Francisco-based venture capital firm that invests in companies building revolutionary technologies, like Paribus, and also Bain Capital, which is one of the world's largest leading private investment firms. They're based in Boston, so, hi. Already right there, you know that Paribus has a terrific pedigree. So after a few years, the app became so successful and noteworthy that in 2016, banking giant Capital What's in Your Wallet One acquired it. And since then, Paribus has gone on to save more than $24 million and counting for over 3 million users. And of course, that number is going up too, because people like you are getting the app and seeing what it can do for them. So that's pretty cool. That is a lot of people using Paribus and even more money saved, which we all like to do. Here's exactly what Paribus does and how it works for you. Ready? Here we go. Number one, you shop online normally. I gotta get my hands out of the way. You shop online normally. Number two, Paribus tracks your online receipts and stores policies so you don't have to. Number three, the Paribus algorithm works to determine if you're owed any money. Then they file claims or instruct you on how to do so for items whose prices have dropped by at least $3. Number four, if Paribus identifies potential savings for you, they let you know. Yay. Number five, Paribus then streamlines the claim process to make it as easy as possible to get you your money back. Yay, another round of applause. So number five, how do you get that money back? Again, super simple. Once a retailer confirms a price adjustment, you'll typically receive your refund within 3 to 7 business days. That's really fast. And they'll usually refund to you your original form of payment depending on that retailer's policies. If you have this notification option turned on in your Paribus account, you'll receive an email from Paribus when an eligible price drop is detected and a successful claim is completed. So let's get down to the fun stuff. Super fun. All right, so this is how Paribus works and how you're gonna be saving money on stuff you're already buying every day from some of the largest online retailers. Okay, so first off, retailers change prices online all the time. So, unless you're a computer or the Paribus app, You'd never know that something you bought online is now cheaper. So that money would go unclaimed by you and stay with the retailer, and I'm pretty sure they have enough money already. So it is great that Paribus works for you to get your money back. Secondly, without Paribus, researching all the online retailers you purchase products from, seeing if they've dropped prices recently. Oh, I'm getting a headache just thinking about it. Yeah, that would be really super complicated. It would take forever, and pretty sure that's an amount of time I know I don't have. Pretty sure you don't either. Yeah, so Paribus. Oh, here's a really interesting thing. Amazon and online retailers like it, many of them change up to 80 million prices daily. 80 million! Aw, that's a lot of shifting, and chances are you recently bought something that now costs less. So don't you think you should receive that money back? Think of it like this. Okay, here's a really good analogy. Paribus essentially acts as your digital wingman / wingwoman and continuously monitors and compares price changes for these items in real time. How cool is that? So what it does is it's out there, it is hunting down price drops on items you've already bought by analyzing your purchases and looking through cashback or refund policies for the online retailers you shop with so you can save money. So Paribus houses up-to-date information for thousands of refunds and price matching programs, and it works to help you get your money back as quickly and easily as possible for purchases that you were eligible for. And you know, I mean, makes sense. Most companies don't outwardly advertise these programs, so it is great that Paribus is there to do the heavy lifting for you. It is 100% free. You can't beat that. So Paribus says that their app exists to restore confidence, fairness, and trust, something I think we can agree that we would all like if there was a lot more of here these days. They want to restore all of that to shopping, because when you can trust that you will always get the lowest prices, not just empty guarantees, shopping gets better. It's true. Very true. Paribus works silently in the background to help you get refunds you deserve. And Paribus, again, 100% free to use. So, because Paribus is always monitoring price drops at certain online retailers with price adjustment policies, you know that what you've purchased could soon be getting you money back. It's just that simple. So because Paribus is always monitoring price drops at certain online retailers that have price adjustment policies, you know that what you purchased could soon be getting you money back. It's so cool. Oh, and we're talking big online retailers that you know you're already shopping at. Maybe you've heard of a few of them. Let's just say just a couple. Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, Costco, Home Depot, Staples, Office Depot, Walmart, Macy's, Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, Gap, so many more. Let's just wait and see all of. Woo! Look at them coming in. That is a big amount of, pile of, okay, they're all, boy, get out of the way. Anyways, currently Paribus monitors prices at nearly 20 of the largest online retailers and is quickly adding more, so check the link below to find out what stores Paribus is working with right now. So let's, next up, let's talk about how to sign up for and then how to use the app. Paribus only available for US residents and purchases made in the USA, and you can click the link below to sign up for an account. You have to use one of 3 types of email addresses to sign up for your new Paribus account, and it's going to be Gmail, Microsoft, or Yahoo. Yahoo! Remember those commercials? Remember, you have to have your online shopping receipts sent to the mailbox that Paribus monitors in order for Paribus to detect your purchases. Makes sense, yeah, that's fair. Check out the email addresses, the domains that Paribus works with. Oh, and guess what? Here's cool pro tip. If you don't have one of these email addresses, what you can do, you can still sign up for Paribus by setting up a new email account with Gmail and using their email fetcher. Whoa, mind blown, right? So here's the link on how to do this, and guess what? You're gonna find that also in the description below. So once you're signed up and you have your account, Paribus algorithms go to work directly with those email address providers by scanning your email for recent eligible purchases. And if you're worried about privacy, fear not. Because what Paribus does is it uses a tokenized login flow to view your inbox, which means that they use a token given to them by your email provider to track your purchase activity for refund opportunities. So this token helps ensure that your email can only be used for the permissions you agree to when you sign up for Paribus, and also means that they don't need to store your email password. Oh, and if you choose to provide your Amazon credentials to unlock Paribus's, pretty sure that's the possessive, Paribus's, yeah, late delivery monitoring service, then they'll store your Amazon username and password in encrypted, very important, format, because Amazon doesn't currently provide a tokenized solution, but it's encrypted, yes. So, oh yeah, no, Paribus isn't reading any of your emails. All their systems do is capture email subject and sender information from your inbox, and then use proprietary logic, love proprietary logic, to identify which of those emails appears to be receipts, and they don't read or open any other type of email. So that's super safe, super confidential. So wait, did some of you savvy viewers just maybe noticed I mentioned something called Amazon's late delivery monitoring? If so, winner, winner, winner. Actually, you're all winners because you can all get this service. It's just, again, free within Paribus. So not only does Paribus watch for price drops at online retailers with those price adjustment policies, they also offer a free delivery monitoring service where they track your shipments to see if you're owed money for late deliveries. So cool. Currently, this service is only compatible with Amazon Prime subscriptions, paid guaranteed shipping from Amazon, and Walmart.com purchases where you paid for guaranteed shipping. But I mean, hi, this is awesome because it means that you can request compensation if a package arrives late, which has happened multiple times for me because, I mean, I'm always buying things online, and I'm pretty sure you are too. And I was like, wait, what? No, but this is late. I didn't get it on time. You promised me. I paid for this service. Where's my package? That was it. I just sort of stewed silently by myself, and that was that. I didn't get the item on time, and there was nothing I could do about it. So it's really cool that Paribus will go to bat for you and get you paid for a service that was promised but wasn't delivered on. Literally and figuratively. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering about privacy and security within the app. It's very important in today's world. First, you don't need to put a credit card on file with Paribus for it to work, and Paribus never has, never will sell your data. Scout's honor. In addition, Paribus uses state-of-the-art information security that protects you and your data. And yeah, at this point, I'm going to put the teacher glasses on. Please stand by. We're ready. It's a tech lesson here. So let's talk about the security. What happens is data is transmitted securely via SSL, parentheses, TLS 1.2, end parentheses, band grade encryption. Sensitive information is encrypted using AES 256. That all sounds super complicated, but all you need to know is that SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it is standard technology for keeping an internet connection secure and safeguarding any sensitive data that's being sent between two systems. and it prevents criminals from reading and modifying any information transferred, including potential personal details. That's you. That's your personal details. Protected. Nobody's getting in. TLS stands for Transport Layer Security, and that is an updated, more secure version of SSL. So that's awesome. And finally, AES 256 stands for Advanced Encryption Standard, and it is considered among the top security encryption and decryption algorithms available today. Whoo! Tech lesson over, tech lesson over. Gonna take the teacher glasses off. They may come back at another point. This video, another video, don't know. I'm gonna keep them handy. All right, so now that the tech lesson is over and you know that all your information is extremely safe, what do people think about Paribus? People talk, you know they do. Yep, you could probably guess. Users love, a lot of O's, love Paribus. So you can check out the ratings in the App Store, where they're maintaining currently a 4+ rating, and also here are some terrific reviews from happy users who have saved money. As with anything in life, there are folks who don't like Paribus. Let's talk this out. Let's talk about it. Let's unpack this for a little bit. What are their concerns? Well, the number one issue is people are saying they're not seeing much money back. Okay. But come on, that's not even a fair complaint, since Paribus explicitly states that they don't guarantee refunds. So someone who rarely shops online really can't reasonably expect to receive much money back, right? You see how that logic flows. So if these people started buying more items online from the retailers Paribus works with, they'd start seeing more cash back, right? And by the same line of reasoning, oh, this might be I think it's a good time to use the glasses. And by this same line of reasoning, it's landing more that I have the glasses on now. Purchases with higher prices are likely to see higher refund amounts. So this isn't rocket science, no. Even though I have the glasses on and I look smarter now, it's not. You don't even need the glasses to understand this, to work this out. No, it's not rocket science, it's logic. And it's a legit way to get money back for purchases you're already making. I mean, sure, we'd all like to have an app that just gives us money back because we want it. But A, that'd be illegal, or B, only available in a parallel universe. So until we discover one of these alternate realities, I'm just gonna stick with the trustworthy Paribus app, and I suggest you do too. So, here we are, we've come to the end. I'm gonna miss you guys. But anyways, I hope this video has given you a good overview of what Paribus is and how it can become your little digital cashback buddy. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and sign up using the link in the description below. Gonna make the noise again. And start getting refunds on your online purchases. Oh, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, etc., just hit us up in that comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And oh, don't forget to subscribe to Money Done right here on the YouTube. And then once you sign up and subscribe, you will be notified every time we upload a new video that will help you save and earn money, which is all good, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Happy saving.